Hello, I'm Rob Allen, owner of RangeMaster Shoulder Therapy, and I'm glad to be here and appreciate being invited to be part of the 2024 Next Level Geriatric Therapy Virtual Summit, and a special thank you to Kara Welke for including us. Many of you who registered early received a free gift from us, one of our home shoulder pulley exercisers. And one of those shoulder pulleys, I'd like to take a minute and talk about it. It is our Pull Easy shoulder pulley. It's our pulley that has a grip-free hold on one end, and it particularly is for those patients who have impaired gripping ability, but still need to keep moving. So what we've done is, instead of a handle, we put a foam loop that the patient can just pass their hand through, and then simply by pulling down on the handle with their fingers and the string, they can be in place, and then they just supinate, and now they're ready to do a complete grip-free shoulder pulley exercise. So that'd be really good for a CVA type patient. Or another place we see that application is post-surgical. Quite a few patients will complain of muscle tension overflow that creates pain in the shoulder complex when they're doing their early passive assistive range of motion exercise. So many of you received one of those if you registered early, or you had a choice of one of our other shoulder pulley products. But I also want to say one lucky person involved in the summit over these next few days is to have their name drawn, and they're going to get one of our complete RangeMaster shoulder kits. It's a traveling kit with its own travel bag, and then it's just loaded with goodies on the inside. One of the ones folks especially like is our shoulder wand, which is a symboled wand, and it allows the patient to do stretching exercises in a neutral position. So keep that thumb up so we don't create impingement in the shoulder joint. But that's just one of the things in the traveling kit. Here's a shoulder fit exerciser. It goes in any door, and it's got a light resistance tube, and it's really nice for internal and external rotation. Included in the travel kit, you can take it right into a patient's home. Of course, a lot of our patients are suffering from poor posture, and so we've created the Posture PT device. Again, goes on the hinge side of a door, and then there's a very light band exercise, and the patient can do scapular stabilization exercises. They can squeeze their I love these special effects. They can squeeze their shoulder blades together to get some strengthening, and also they can do some chin tucks exercises and pull down with resistance. So that's just another feature. Every one of our kits comes with our classic RangeMaster shoulder pulley that goes over the door, unless the winner decides they want to pull easy or something else in there. We have a number of different shoulder pulley configurations, including one that comes with a neutral handle. So when the patient grasps it, it automatically puts them in a thumbs up neutral position. Finally, in the shoulder kit, we have our 7 steps to a healthy shoulder guide. Talks a little bit about the journey that people are on when they're trying to restore function. Starts with just icing and making sure that swelling goes down so they can start to work on range of motion again. Finally, we've got our desktop flip chart slip chart exercise guide. It comes in the kit, and it has written descriptions as well as drawings of how to do certain exercises. And we even have a little vocabulary lesson in here, if I can get to it. Not everybody understands therapy speak. What do you mean when you say flexion, extension, internal and external rotation? So we explain that to the patient. All those things are in our complete shoulder kit. One of you will be the lucky winner of one of those. So again, best of luck on your journey this week, and thank you for including RangeMaster. We want to be your shoulder rehabilitation company. Goodbye now.